Traditional ball machines, they are way too predictable. They don't create a realistic scenario for training.
They only shoot balls to preset locations, which is way too predictable for the players. RallyMatics was established to track the position of the player and the ball, so the ball machine can intelligently shoot out the balls to challenging locations. And we can also track the performance status of the player, and we can help the coach to plan the next training sessions.
It changes your direction of play, changes your movement. It does a really good job of keeping you on your toes. It's the future of tennis, really, to be honest.
Through this wonderful partnership with FerretWorks, we managed to accelerate our journey from the lab scale to the market.
It helps us to collaborate with AMRC computer vision team to further improve the robustness and the accuracy of our motion tracking technology.
Although RallyMatics started in South Yorkshire, it's making its journey to the international market through a partnership with one of the largest ball machine manufacturers in the US. We are also now considering to diversify into other racket sports.